Are you looking to close your company but want to avoid the complex liquidation process? In this video, I'll walk you through voluntary deregistration. Voluntary deregistration is the official way to close a company that is no longer needed. It's simpler, faster, and much cheaper. Your company must have no outstanding debts less than $1,000 in assets, no legal proceedings, shareholder consent, and not be trading. Now that you qualify, you'll need to lodge ASIC Form 6010, which requires your company name, ACN, applicant details, and a declaration. After submitting, ASIC will review your application, publish a notice for 2 months, and automatically deregister if there are no objections. If your company has debts or assets over $1,000, you cannot use voluntary deregistration and may need to pursue liquidation instead. Voluntary deregistration is the easiest way to close your company, only if you meet ASIC's requirements. Visit our site for help.